Panama Volcanoes, Cinder Cones, Volcanic Fields. To Singal Stratovolcano and Summit. It's also known as Cerro Colorado or Cerro Picon. It lies adjacent to Costa Rica border and Talamanca range of the western coast Panama, northwest of Volcan Baru. A large andesitic stratovolcano was breached to the southwest by edifice collapse, leaving a 7-kilometer wide horseshoe-shaped caldera formed the 2,986 meter high point in the volcano. Two large lava domes, andesitic Cerro Tatuma and andesitic Cerro Pelon, were formed in the northwest and east sides of the caldera, respectively. Two additional domes, the larger of which is Cerro Pando, lies outside the caldera to the southwest, and another dome, Cerro Panta, is east of the caldera. Potassium orgone ages for the Volcan Colorado complex range from 1.66 million years ago to 0.52 million years ago. And our next one is Baru Volcano. Baru Volcano is an active stratovolcano in the tallest mountain in Panama at 3,475 meters. It lies 35 kilometers off the border of Costa Rica. Due to its height and narrowness of its Isthmus of Panama, it is possible to see both the Pacific Ocean and Caribbean Sea from the volcano Baru's peak in a clear day. So let's see here. I think there is a view here for this one. I think there's a few of them. So we're going to go here first. And this is the mountains here and the volcano. Which is really quite spectacular. Oops. Now we're going to go back up and look at a different one. You see radio stations up there too. Now we're moving on to La Guarda. La Guarda? La Guarda is a stratovolcano. It's also known as Checha Kobler. It's a massive volcanic complex in the west central Panama, north of Azuro Peninsula, that was active from the Miocene to the Quaternary. And the youngest major feature of La Guarda is located within a large fault boundary that forms the high point of the volcanic complex east of Laguna La Guarda. The latest eruptions took place from the north part of the Horst about 220,000 years ago at Cerro Correro Lava Dome, also known as Cerro de la Carca, north of El Castillo. The youngest feature of the La Guarda complex is Maria Luna cinder crater, which was erupted through tertiary ignimbrite deposits at the northwest side of the complex. The oldest peat layer within a small lake dammed by basaltic lava flow originated from the cone was radiocarbon dated at about 300 to 350 years ago. Warm springs are also scattered throughout the complex. So this is kind of cool. Let's see here. We have a view. Oh my. I guess let's go here. Camping. And here's the lake. And moving on to Avel. Now, this one's kind of interesting. This is Avel here. And if we look over here, we have this area here. This is the crater here. Stratovolcano. This is a stratovolcano. The town of El Vel de Eton is in the crater of the extinct volcano. It is surrounded by mountains and cloud forests. To the north, Cerro Gontal National Park protects 3 hills: Cerro Gontal, Cerro Pajita, and Cerro Coracol. Avalo volcano, 80 kilometers southwest of Panama City, is a broad stratovolcano cut by a large compound Pleistocene caldera. The 6-kilometer wide El Val de Anton caldera was formed about 56,000 years ago in association with eruption of dacitic El Hato pyroclastic flows. The caldera has steep 200 to 300 meter high walls overlooking a flat floor underlain by deposits of former caldera lake and currently occupied by the town of El Vel. Cerro Pajita, Cerro Gato, and Cerro Caracoral form a dacitic lava dome complex that was constructed along the east-west lineament within the caldera and forms the high point of the volcano. Major phlegmatic Plinian eruptions produced when magma interrupted with caldera lake water as recently as 34,600 years ago generated pyroclastic flows that reached the Pacific coast. 25 kilometers south, phreatic eruptions have occurred since then. The most recent dated eruption took place 13,000 years ago, and activity may have continued into Holocene. A geothermal exploration program is currently underway to evaluate the energy potential of the caldera. Anyways, you guys, thanks you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I still think this is wild that a town would be inside a caldera. Anyway, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and I will be doing more cool videos eventually. Thank you.